How to fix Facebook Messenger audio call or video call. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. Go to the Messenger, click on force stop and then click on the storage. Click on clear cache and then click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions right here. Go back again, click on notifications management, and now all what you want to do here is make sure that the calls notifications are enabled and the call in progress also. Go back, and now all what you want to do is very simple. Go to the power usage details and click down here on this force stop option, as you can see, and click on this app launch option and make sure to enable this. Click OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.